KC missed 5 chances. He absolutely capitalized on his.
Oh my God.
That's onside.
Bro, that's unfair.
Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Joe Man.
I'm Rush.
And this is the Southern Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, debates and reactions on the internet.
Yes, people, but before we get into today's video, you want to come because of the title and the thumbnail. I know. Before we get into all of that, don't forget to subscribe to the Southern Sports TV. Hit that like button and leave a comment under the video. Please. Tell us, what do you think about this video? What else I want to do?
I want you guys to share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us at least 6 subscribers. Because if you do you know how many subscribers that gets us by the end of the day, people?
Bully. But bro, let's get right into it.
Yeah.
Jose Marti was robbed. That's what it comes down to, bro.
The proof is in the pudding, as they say.
Yeah, so let's give a little bit of intro to it. So yesterday, what would it? It have been Wednesday.
Before yesterday, Thursday we went to Jose Marti and we did a team feature on Jose Marti, and their coach would have told us that that they robbed a goal. Then we spoke to number 6, the scorer of the goal, and he insisted that he was not offside. And I was a bit skeptical, of course. I was watching the game from the other end of the field, so I wasn't exactly.
Couldn't see.
It wasn't exactly clear to me what had transpired.
But here at this That Sports TV, we have everything. We recorded the whole game and the whole game is up right now, people. Go and check that out. The whole Jose Marti versus Kingston College game is out. So we watch back the footage and we are saying, whoa. This don't look right. And bro, I must say, the ref, she had a good game.
Yes,
in fact, after the game I went to her and I said, yo, good game, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
You see me? But then we go back and look at this and I say, you can't get this wrong. You can't get this wrong. So people, we're gonna look on the video, bro. We're gonna look on the video and we're gonna break it down. And we're gonna tell you why she wrong. I really and truly, Jose Marti, they were robbed, bro. Yeah. So let's talk about it.
Because one would say, oh yes, KC deserved to win the game because they got the clearer chances, but they kicked away their chances. They kicked away their chances.
Jose Marti scored theirs.
Jose Marti converted on theirs, so I don't know.
Yeah. So this is the video, people. Hope you guys can see it. You want to give them some space? Let them see what going on. Right. Give them some space. People, watch this. Alright, so we see the matter of fact, let's
that's it. You can play it at high speed first.
Alright.
That looks offside.
Yeah.
We play that at that same speed.
Alright.
At that same speed. So at this point,
yeah, it
looks like the ball is played offside, right?
Yeah.
He's well behind the defender.
Can't see no.
So fine, where they're offside, no goal, it's whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, Rush, those the Marti fans were going wild, bro?
What?
They were going absolutely insane.
But bro, I'm gonna slow it down.
Alright.
I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna watch it again.
Yeah.
Right? Let's watch it again. Ooh. Wanna see? Bro.
Pull it back.
Let's pull it back.
That's a case.
Pull it back. Hold on.
That's
pull it
a
back
case
again.
in
Pull
foot.
it back again. People, I'm gonna pull it back again and I'm gonna stop it. The other Marti player wasn't kicking that way.
He did not play that ball at all. He never even make any contact with the ball.
This was a tackle.
That was.
And the KC man win the ball?
Clearly played by KC. It was
bro, that's not offside.
It wasn't a deflection. It wasn't. He played. The Jose Marti midfielder did not play the ball any at all.
Yeah. And I'm wondering.
Look at it.
Watch it now. But also I wonder. No, because I watched it earlier. Yeah, because I was looking at the video, bro. I said, alright. I never even say it's a tackle. And I said, alright, he's offside, but he's not offside. Even if
not at this point.
Look, to the point where if the ball was touched, there. I'm not sure that he's offside. Bro. People look at the still image, I'm not sure that he's offside. And the ref, our flag is still down, obviously because the ball not reaching. But look at the point when she put up her flag. Ooh. The moment the ball reaching, she put up her flag, bro. So maybe that's some hesitation right there. Maybe she's not sure. Don't know. And the ref blew the whistle after he scored the goal. So people, those are Marti fans. Boy, I can't apologize for the ref, but I'm sorry that you guys had to go through this. Obviously, you know, you guys know that we're doing our job now. I break down the game, so people forget to me I cheer for KC. It just coming up and say, oh, I'm not trying to cheer for KC. Bro, as a kid, obviously it hurt me to say this. If I'm being subjective and I'm being a fan. But bro, if I was Marti, bro, somebody need to answer to this, mate. And I've always said it. This is something that I say all the time. I even say it to you when we're there match. Whether it be reggae boy, schoolboy football, referees need to give interviews after games, bro. Because who holds them accountable?
Yeah, but even if they're giving interviews after
she wouldn't know. She wouldn't know.
None of us would have known because you know there's no VAR there.
Yeah.
You know, we obviously had the technology to in hindsight slow it down and to review this footage. And it is clearly onside.
Bro, let's watch it again. Cause slow it down. Let's watch it again. Oh, that's painful to watch back, man.
He did not.
Well taken goal,
at all.
Well taken goal. Oh my God.
That's onside.
Bro, that's unfair. They don't deserve that, man. And it wasn't even a hard call to make. Let's look at the position of the ref then. One more thing to look at. Bro, she's in prayer position to see.
She should have seen that was a tackle being made.
She obviously that. Look at the people. She's right there. She's looking at it.
And I know people are going to say, oh, KC missed 5 chances. KC missed that. Exactly my point.
And they took theirs.
KC missed 5 chances. He absolutely capitalized on his chance. That was a clear chance.
Yeah. Bro, the ref obviously this. I'm not going to say that the ref was working with KC because I heard some people at the game. You know, even we were on the side of the benches, right? And we heard one of the guys speaking. I said, oh, them not called that for KC, man. Should not give him a card because of KC, right? I'm not go as far as saying that, that she was reffing for KC because I couldn't tell that in the game. Yeah. She was genuinely doing a good job. And yes, you mentioned it early in the game too that she's doing well. Then after the game, I said, whoa, she really reffed this game well. So this was just a bad decision, and the most important decision she had to make in the game. You can't do this.
I saw her make a few important decisions.
Yeah.
Throughout the games,
this is the most important decision. This is the most important decision in the game.
I saw a penalty that was very close to the challenge.
You want to whisper?
Very close. Very close could have been a penalty. You know, but boy.
People, on the scrutinize it. May I play it one more time? We have 2 more clips so we can look on if you want. The clearest chance of the game where KC hit and kick over the ball. People, and we react to this just because we want to react to it. Not even because we say KC should have scored. But what a miss. And then we'll react to Dujan Richard's bicycle kick. People, real quick. Last time in slow-mo.
That was clearly played by the KC.
Really? We're never even close. And she's right there.
Look at none of the KC players. None of them
called outside. Nobody hands up.
Because all of them knew that they played it. Not one Kingston College player.
Bro, Jose Marti should have won this game. If I'm going to say that Jose Marti should have won this game. They scored their goal. KC missed their goals. KC got more chances. KC got clearer chances. Jose Marti scored their goal. I'm going to say that. I'll leave it right there. Let's look at...
Oh boy!
Let's look at...
Louise.
Alright, let's look at...
this the whole balance of the Manning Cup could be changed because of one call.
Yeah, bro. How important that call could turn out to be. How important. Alright, let's look at Whisper's bicycle kick real quick. Alright, so we'll see that this man, I think they call him Beckham. I think it's their right back. Got a ball out there. Cross. Back post. Won by the KC man. Bro, we were right there. People, let's see the angle where I watch this from. I see him line it up. I see him turn him back to the goal. Because he could have faced him, he could have controlled the ball. You know, he could have tried to jump for it and knock it down to somewhere. He could have knocked it down here. You know, he could have head the ball off of the goal. See him size it up, bro. I'm see him take a leap. First of all, Whisper Richards is like 6'2".
6'2" maybe.
He's probably what, 150 something, probably 160 pounds.
Yeah. Just 60,
bro, he's athletic as hell.
Pounds.
And the man jump for a bicycle kick, get pure connection. It's so hard to execute a bicycle kick. So hard. You have to focus on that ball while you have to concentrate on how you have to fall, because you don't want to have a bad fall. And then you need to focus on where you have to get the ball. So hard. And the man execute this so well, bro. How good is this player?
I wish he had scored.
Had to score, bro. Oh, what a vlog that would have been.
We'd have seen the best goal in Manning Cup.
We'll watch it one more time, bro. We'll watch it one more time.
Had to have scored. Shout out to Royal Lake Surface though.
Yeah. Slow it down.
Eye on the ball.
Wham! Oh, hey, keeper left for dead, you know?
Yeah.
Him don't know nothing about that, you know? Oh. You know them ones, yeah?
Yeah, bro.
You know them ones.
Two steps.
Here's a look.
Yeah.
Here's a look. You know them ones, bro?
Yeah, bro, I know them.
I know. He expected that to nestle in the back of the net, bro. But we're not gonna spend too long on that. You see it? Alright, let's wrap it up, bro. So there you have it. Two big moments in the game. The referee got a call awfully wrong. The offside, you needed to get that right. She was in a good position. You're doing her job properly. Yeah. She was in a good position. She's in a good position most of the time to this game. She was running for the full 90, bro. But she just got the call wrong. Her Lindsay got the call wrong. She didn't overrule it. So she agreed with her Lindsay. I don't know who will have that argument today when she see this video and send it to her.
Bro, I have to blame the referee.
Yeah. The referee ultimately gets all of it.
And because she was right there, like she was facing the play directly and she saw that there was no play.
There was no pass. There was no play on the ball.
But when you slowed it down, we saw that the number 6 may well have not been offside.
Not at all. Not
regardless,
even offside.
even if there was a play on the ball, he might have not been offside. So, bro, tough.
People, I hate that. We're never gonna react to this. I don't think we're gonna reaction video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. But yeah, not offside. Was a Marti technical high school.
They should have won.
They were robbed.
For sure,
they were robbed, bro. KC, I don't know if you're gonna make the game come so close next time, but you can't. I must say, bro, we're at Jose Marti on Thursday, and these guys are looking to upset somebody. They're looking to upset somebody.
They're looking to upset you.
They're looking to upset Kingston College.
One in the same.
Left that. Anyways, people, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget though, like this video, leave a comment under the video. Let us know what do you think about this bad call by the ref. And subscribe to this on Sports TV. What else you want them to, bro?
Share the video.
Hold on. If they believe that the ref get it wrong, what them to do?
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us at least 6 subscribers if the ref got it wrong.
Yeah.
And if you think the ref got it right, get us 4.
Yeah, we take 4.
Right?
We take 4.
And if each and every one of you guys do that, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
Poly people. But for now, this was That Sports TV.
Alright.
Yes, sir.